4 या 5 हेयर लाइन से 4 फिंगर्स की विड्थ में होगी। फिर इसकी एंड से आई हैव टेकन अ diagonal kind of a section or a radial kind of a section till to the nape। मैं इस बालों को उठा दूंगी, आपको पता चलेगा from the ear till to the nape। बाकी सारे बालों को मैंने एक पोनी बनाया है, साइड पोनी। We'll fix this pony in a bungee। So how to make a bungee? It's very easy. For doing a bungee, you need to have 2 rubber bands or elastic bands and 2 bobby pins. How to make a bungee? You just have to hold the bungee like this and go into the opposite direction. You bring this one into this elastic band and something like this, और ये वाला elastic band से आप इसको खींच लीजिए। That's how to make a bungee। It becomes a knot। It's not complete। Now you have to fix one bobby pin to one side and another bobby pin to the other side। So this entire thing becomes a bungee। So this is ready। So let's start। We comb this section nicely। अगर छोटे छोटे बाल आपको बाहर आते हुए नज़र आ रहे हैं तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा सा हल्का सा स्प्रे करके आप इन छोटे छोटे बालों को अंदर की तरफ फिक्स कर सकते हैं। आप कोई भी स्प्रे इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। वर्किंग स्प्रे अगर इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा होगा। Let us take a bungee। I am inserting a bungee like this, like so। It's in this, inside this hair। You just have to keep a thumb there ताकि निकल के बाहर ना आ जाए, and then circle this elastic band and then go to the opposite direction and then insert this bobby pin। Fine। And you have made a nice beautiful bungee। इस bungee को छिपाना है। So take a small piece of hair from the back of the pony and then you can cover this elastic band और इन बालों को छिपाने के लिए you can use one more bobby pin। Take that much of the hair and just insert a bobby pin inside। Okay, so then it'll cover entire bungee। That's a pony, side pony। अब क्या करेंगे, we'll go to the other side। जो हम लोगों ने पहले ही we have taken a section, a radial kind of a section from the corner of the diagonal section till to the nape area। Okay, now we'll come towards the front। We'll comb this hair nicely and then हल्का सा टिल्ट कर लीजिए डमी को, and then you can take a little bit of the hair using your pinky finger. Divide this hair into equal half. जब ये वाला डिज़ाइन करते वक्त you can use a wax. I'm using here Gold Welker wax, which is called Malibu. It's a very good wax, styling wax. What I'm doing, holding these two sections, I'm just going to put a knot. A nice beautiful knot. So hence you take one more section. You need to continue putting these knots. Okay, when you're putting the knots, after putting a knot in the first place, you're clubbing both the strands together, and whatever section you have taken, that will become your second strand. So once again, is that good? Okay, we'll club this. And then we'll go. जब भी आपको छोटे छोटे बाल बाहर निकलते हुए नज़र आए, उसको कोम कर लीजिए. नीटनेस आएगी आपकी हेयर स्टाइलिंग में. हल्का सा वैक्स लगाने से you'll have a neat and nice look in the hair, and it increases the flexibility of the hair, and it clubs all the smallest to the smallest and the biggest to the biggest hair together. And so that the style comes out neatly and perfect. As you go by, you turn the dummy. It's easy. You just have to keep your index finger and the middle finger in between two. Go on top of it. Use another hand, index finger and middle finger. Just bring them towards the face. It's easy, it looks nice, it looks beautiful. Once you have finished with this, you can divide this section once again into two equal halves. और क्या कर सकते हैं आप? You can go once again and do the knotting technique until unless you reach towards the pony. Okay, when you reach towards the pony, you just circle this at the root of the pony and then pin this hair which is remaining. Okay, I hope it looks really good. And then you can divide this section into 2 equal halves. Let me make this dummy to stand straight. And then you can swirl this. It's easy and simple. You have to swirl like this and then use your U-pin or a Judah pin to tuck this. Take this section, swirl it nicely and go. You can go to the opposite direction. Use a Judah pin. Take these 2 sections and the remaining section and twine it. You can tuck this section also here. So you'll have a nice, beautiful, knotted bun with a knot. You can accessorize this by putting 2 flowers over here, or you can use any accessory like a diamante clip or a diamante pin. I'm putting a diamante kind of a comb at the side. Something like that. Or you can use flowers at this place, natural flowers. See you next time. Thank you.